Okay, guys, this is an example of what I was thinking for this zooming in on body map assignment. So you can see I've plotted a point on the liver. So what I think would be nice for you to do is if you plot that point and then you zoom in on whatever tissue you're trying to show me and say in the liver, there is liver tissue. Looks like the image. Liver tissue functions, it can renew its own cells, so it can grow back. It can detoxify and it can metabolize nutrients. So that is liver tissue. And then you would just go through all the other tissues, again, plotting a point where it's located, zooming in, showing an image, and discussing its functions. Right now, I am using Explain Everything, which is a great app to do this because of the ease of zooming. And then you can do each point on a different slide just in case you mess up. It's easier to fix your mistakes.